Oil prices held steady today at $53 a barrel, despite the expectation that U.S. production could increase.
And that expectation for a rise in production was partially offset by comments from Saudi Arabia's oil minister, who said the fundamentals of the crude market are actually improving. Brian Sullivan spoke to him at CIRA Week, a major oil conference in Houston.
The heaviest hitters in the world of oil and gas are here in Houston, Texas, and the heaviest hitter of all is the Minister of Energy for Saudi Arabia, also the chairman of Saudi Aramco, Khalid Al-Fallah. He spoke exclusively with CNBC, and the heaviest topic was about OPEC's production cut agreement, and I began by asking him whether he thought that production cut deal would continue past the deadline in May.
It's premature to discuss. We're only 2 months and 1 week into the agreement. I think performance has been good overall. If you look at the numbers in total, compliance has been high, certainly among the OPEC countries, and the non-OPEC countries are getting up there.
So with some optimism that OPEC production deal will be continued, we asked him if he thinks that the worst has been seen in oil.
I think the fundamentals are coming back into line. There are inventory drawdowns. I think demand is picking up healthy. The global economy is doing well, and the investment flows have slowed down significantly, which may be an overshoot, but certainly they're not going to cause this glut to stay with us.
So there you have it, some optimism that maybe the worst has passed us in the oil world, because OPEC will be able to do something it has struggled to do in the past, which is maintain an agreement between countries to cut production. But there is more optimism this year than there was last year when oil was below $30 a barrel at the same conference. For Nightly Business Report, I am Brian Sullivan in Houston, Texas.